Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are well. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel Shirazul Faisi. Today in this video I am going to explain about polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons. So what is polynuclear hydrocarbons? Polynuclear hydrocarbons or aromatic hydrocarbons are composed by two or more benzene rings. Polynuclear hydrocarbon classified into group benzenoid and non-benzenoid. Non-benzenoid examples is azulene. Benzenoid again classified into two part, isolated and fused. So isolated example is biphenyl. This ring is in isolated form, you can see here, not fused. Now this is a fused ring. Fused ring also have two types, linear and angular. Linear is naphthalene, you see this is two rings fused together, and phenanthrene, these three rings fused together. So fused or condensed aromatic hydrocarbons contains more than one ring and have two carbons shared by two aromatic rings. The most important member of this class, this is naphthalene, anthracene and phenanthrene. Now come to naphthalene. Naphthalene is the highest and largest single constituents of coal tar. It is obtained industrially by chilling the middle aisle fractions. The structure of naphthalene is this. So for nomenclatures of naphthalene, you can start from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this 4 position is alpha position and this 4 position is beta position. So naphthalene double bond or naphthalene show these three canonical structures. This is benzene and this is quinonoid ring. This is benzene and this is also benzenoid ring. This is quinonoid ring, this is benzoid ring. So naphthalene double bond is under delocalization. Naphthalene shows aromatic properties. Naphthalene also satisfied Haeckel's rule for n+2, and this is the 5 pi electron systems. So all carbon-carbon double bond are not same according to X-ray diffraction study. Carbon 1 and carbon 2 is 1.36 angstrom and carbon 2 and carbon 3 distance is 1.40 angstrom. So 2 and 3 means beta 1 is larger than alpha 1. Resonance energy of naphthalene is 61 kilocalorie per mole. We know that benzene is 36 kilocalorie per mole. So second aromatic ring is less stable by 25 kilocalorie per mole. Naphthalene is less aromatic, more reactive than benzene. Now structure elucidation of naphthalene. Elemental analysis and molecular weight determinations. The structure of naphthalene and the molecular formula of naphthalene is C10H8. C10H8. Naphthalene undergoes oxidation is give phthalic acid. It indicates naphthalene contains this skeleton. Furthermore, naphthalene undergoes nitration, give nitronaphthalene. Nitronaphthalene undergoes oxidation, give nitrophthalic acid. So nitro group is present in benzene ring. Furthermore, naphthalene undergoes nitrations, gives nitronaphthalene, which is undergo reductions, give aminonaphthalene, and aminonaphthalene undergoes oxidation, give phthalic acid. So what conclusion you can draw from this sequence of reactions? The benzene ring is phthalic acid produced by oxidations of aminonaphthalene is not the same ring is that obtained by oxidation of nitronaphthalene. That is, naphthalene contains two benzene rings, and we can explain this by these equations. You can see here ring A and B. Naphthalene undergoes nitrations, B ring is nitrated, undergoes oxidations, A ring destroyed. Now, naphthalene undergoes nitration, give nitrated product. On B ring, on reductions, it gives amino product on, and this amino present on ring B, and further oxidations, B ring is collapsed and phthalic acid formed. So, from the above reactions, it is concluded that the naphthalene ring contains two benzene rings. The structure of naphthalene is confirmed by method of its synthesis. Haworth's method, alkylated benzene react with succinic anhydride gives this product, and this CO group converted into CH2 in the presence of zinc amalgam. And cyclization occurs in the presence of sulfuric acid. Further, this CO is converted into CH2 in the presence of zinc amalgam, and finally substituted alkyl naphthalene is obtained. So, synthesis of one alkyl naphthalene, benzene react with succinic anhydride, give 4-oxo 4-phenyl butanoic acid. This CO again converted into CH2 through zinc amalgam hydrochloric acid reactions. And in the presence of sulfuric acid, 1 tetralone formed, and this CO group is converted into secondary alcohol with the help of RMGX and H2O. And in the presence of selenium on heating, we will get one alkyl substituted naphthalene. From beta benzylidene propionic acid undergoes reaction with sulfuric acid, give this product. This product is ketoenol tautomism. Reaction with zinc, it gives naphthalene. Now reduction. Naphthalene undergoes reductions in the presence of sodium ethanol, give 1,4-dihydronaphthalene, and undergo reductions in presence of sodium and isoamyl alcohol. It gives 1,2,3,4 tetrahydronaphthalene, which is known as tetraline. Further, naphthalene undergoes reaction in the presence of nickel H2. It gives decalene, decahydronaphthalene. Now oxidations. Naphthalene undergoes oxidation in the presence of chromium oxide, acetic acid. It gives 1,4-naphthaquinone and react with ozone, water. It gives phthalic acid. And in the presence of O2 and manganese oxide, it gives phthalic anhydride, and in presence of potassium permanganate, it gives phthalic acid. Addition of chlorine. Naphthalene undergo chlorination. It gives 1,4-dihydro, 1,4-dichloronaphthalene, and further excess Cl2, it gives 1,2,3,4 tetrachloro, 1,2,3,4 tetrahydronaphthalene. Now electrophilic substitution reactions. Naphthalene undergoes electrophilic substitution mostly at alpha positions. Resonance forms determine higher reactivity at carbon 1 position. Carbon 1 attack has two resonating structure with benzene ring, and carbon 2 attack has only one resonating structure with benzene ring. The most stable intermediate is carbon 1 position, give fast reaction. You can see here attack on carbon and attack on carbon 2. So at position 1, carbocation intermediate is stabilized by 2 resonance. This is 2 resonance. And at positions, carbocation intermediate are stabilized by only 1 resonance. This is only 1 at 2 positions. At 1 position, 2 at 1. So carbocation is more stable position 1 than 2. Now the reactions. Naphthalene undergo nitration, it gives nitro. 1 nitronaphthalene undergoes sulfonation, gives naphthalene 1 sulfonic acid. You change the temperature, you will get the different product at beta position. This is also alpha substituted. Friedel-Crafts acylation give 1 acetyl naphthalene and change the reagent lead nitrate, it gives 2 acetyl naphthalene beta position. Sulfonations, why it is giving the beta positions? Due to steric interaction. This sulfonic group is more steric intense, this is less steric intense at beta position. So hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.